I'm going to tell you something that I've never heard another realtor say, okay? Maybe it's not time for you to buy. And I know that's crazy, that's wild. My career is helping people purchase homes and sell homes. So that's very contradicting for me to say something like that. And I'm going to tell you why. Now, I believe anybody that wants to be a homeowner can do it. Absolutely. I mean, it's not a secret sauce to do it. It's just a procedure that you follow and then you'll become a homeowner. You meet with the realtor, you meet with the lender, and they will give you a foolproof plan to get you in a home. However, I don't think that the right time to purchase is all the time for everyone. And I'm gonna explain why I don't think that you should purchase a home. Number one, you just moved to the area. I mean, what if you're moving across states? You don't know what area you like. My in-laws moved to Tennessee from Indiana. And when they got down here, they really didn't know what area they would like. So they spent a couple of years renting, and they did in a couple of different areas. They did in Knoxville, they did in Seymour, and then they did closer to the Kodak area, and they ended up liking the Kodak area. And then that's where they purchased. But renting gave them the opportunity to just check out the different areas. You can drive by them and get a little sense of them, but until you're there day to day, that's when you're going to really see if you really like the area. And I think that's a great plan what they did. I would highly recommend it. Number two is if you are not in a spot where you could be a homeowner, meaning like financially, I mean, it's great that you're in a home, but don't let that be a burden to you. I mean, I would like to say once you get in a home, it's all rainbows and sunshine, but it's not. I mean, things are going to happen. Your stove's going to go out. The water heater is going to go out. You're going to have a plumbing issue. You need to have a cushion for that. And you can always get a home warranty when you purchase your property, and that will help. But I always recommend to my clients, have a little bit of a cushion. That way you're not stressed and you can see your home as a blessing, not a burden. That is the goal. Number three is if you know for a fact you're not going to be in the area very long, okay? Maybe you're taking care of family for a couple months. Maybe it's a job transfer and you know you're going back to where you originally lived. If you don't think you're going to be in the area for more than a year or two, it may be better to rent because it would be hard to gain that equity in that shorter period. I mean, you can, it's possible, but sometimes it's a little bit difficult to do that. So I wouldn't recommend purchasing if you're only going to be in the area for say a year. Going through the process and having to look for a house, I mean, that could take a couple of months. Then once you get in it, I mean, you're in it 6 months, and then you're ready to sell. I mean, you haven't even unpacked all your boxes. Those are 3 reasons why I would not purchase a home. But if you do want to purchase a home, I would love to help you.